Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make Indian takeaway and restaurant quality naan bread from scratch. To make naan bread, you need 500 grams of self-raising flour, 50 grams of sugar, 1 egg, 175 millilitres of water, 100 millilitres of milk, 5 grams of baking powder, and 1 gram of black onion seeds. The dough for this recipe can be made in advance and stored in your fridge for up to 3 days before cooking. Place the flour in a bowl, add the baking powder and the onion seeds and combine gently. In a jug, add the water, the milk, the sugar and the eggs, and stir until the sugar has dissolved. I'm using an electric mixer, but you can also do it by hand. Make a small hole in the middle of the flour and tip in the liquid. Mix until it forms a dough. Cover the bowl with a damp cloth or cling film and allow to rest for 2 hours. When your dough has rested for 2 hours, remove it from the bowl and put it onto a floured worktop. Now cut the dough into 8 bits and roll each into a ball shape. Put them onto a floured tray and cover them with a damp towel or cling film and leave for another 2 hours. When the dough balls have finished resting, sprinkle with flour and stretch into shape required. Start heating your pan or tawa. If you are using a non-stick pan, you will need to cook the top of the naan under the grill, so turn that on to its highest setting, around 250 degrees. Now, add oil to one side. Now flip over onto your hand and add water onto the other side. Now Flip onto the pan or tawa and cook for about 10 seconds on the bottom. If you're using a tawa, turn over and hold 5 to 6 inches from the flame and move slowly in circular motions for about 20 to 30 seconds. It will quickly bubble and brown. Now add flavouring of your choice, such as garlic and coriander. If you're using a pan, put the naan onto the grill and watch it bubble. It normally takes about 1 to 2 minutes under the grill. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.